What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the ArmorSuit screen protector for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Take a look at the device without the screen protector, lots of glare, and plenty of fingerprints. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
I purchased this off of Amazon for $10.95. This may be my second ArmorSuit screen protector that I've had on a device. Case friendly is what it says. This is the matte version of the screen protector. They also have a clear one if you're into that. Protection for a lifetime guarantee is what they claim.
Spectacular Gadgets.
I wanted to bring this side of the packaging to your attention, especially the useful hints regarding utilizing a blow dryer for rounded corners or curved edges, and that's what this device has, so that's something that you can do. Keep that in mind. Here we see it is for the Pixel 6 Pro case-friendly matte screen shield. This little bottle right here will make all your dreams come true. I'm just kidding, but this is very necessary for the application of the screen protector, so make sure you hold on to that tight. The next thing they give you is a squeegee along with a microfiber cloth. Now this squeegee is actually pretty darn tough, and you're going to need it to be because this is a liquid install type of screen protector, so this works out very well. Keep that handy, and again, it's just to go ahead and smooth out any moisture underneath the screen protector and get the bubbles out. And then they give you this little microfiber cloth. Now finally, here are the actual screen protectors. You do get 2 screen protectors included with the purchase. So if you happen to mess up on the first one, you do have another try, so that's pretty cool. And then you'll know that the top of the screen protector is just that because of the little dip they have in place for the camera cutout. Also, they include some instructions, so they want you to watch their instructional videos. I'm just trying to put this in the back so you guys can actually see it. But watch our instructional videos, so just in case you're unfamiliar how to install this, you can watch that or just watch mine. Lastly, looks like they're giving you a final warning to watch the installation instruction videos, but hey, you're watching one, you can watch mine. So they have some help for extra assistance if you need that. I don't think you will. It's not the toughest screen protector to put on. And then information for curved edges. And so we do have some curved edges on the 6 Pro. And due to the curved edges, they're saying that if you do have access to a blow dryer or a heat gun or something like that, you can use that to speed up the process. I normally do not use those items. Be sure to wash your hands with soap and water before you start the installation. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that your screen is clean. And as we see, we have dust particles and everything on the device. So what I actually want to do is power off my device. This is what I normally do. I think you should do that too. And if you don't know how or where the power button is, now remember with the Pixel 6 or Android 12, you're going to find that right in the settings shade. So that's where your power button is hiding. Go ahead and power off the device, and let's go ahead and get started with cleaning the screen to make sure that we get as much dust particles and fingerprints and dirt and everything else or anything else that's on your screen. Next, we're going to take the soap and water solution and spray a good amount on both hands. Doing this step will allow you to remove the screen protector from the paper as well as making it easier to install on the device. Find a corner to start peeling off the screen protector. Once you have it removed from the paper, you're actually going to spray both sides of the screen protector. And again, this will allow for easier installation. You'll be able to move it around as you'll see in a second. The side that has already been sprayed with the solution I am placing down on the screen right now. Once I have that laid out, I'm going to now spray this side so I can move the screen protector around so I can match it up. And what I typically do is I am going to use the camera as a guide. And once I have it set to where I want it, then we're good. And I'm amazed I was able to get it done quickly, but there is a good amount of solution as you see, and this is where the squeegee is going to be key. Now here's the fun part. You're going to have to be careful and make sure that you don't move the screen too much when you're squeegeeing out the extra moisture. So I'm actually holding it while I am squeezing out the moisture underneath the screen protector, and that's the best thing to do. Just hold it to make sure it's not moving too much. And yes, it may move, but again, you'll still be able to get it back into place easier than if there was no solution. Now remember, you do have curved edges on here, so I am just using the thin end of the squeegee to go ahead and get as much moisture out, and then I'll do like a final move to make sure everything is still in place. So I'm just looking, and you guys can actually see close up. After inspecting the screen protector, I am satisfied with it, so now I'm just going to go ahead and dry off the remaining moisture on top. And again, I'm holding it just in case it decides to move. And once I dry it off, I'm going to then go ahead and press the sides of the screen protector. Again, it's curved, so you're going to want to make sure those are laying down. Just for good measures, I am using the squeegee tool and I am pushing down the corners of the screen protector to make sure they are going to stay put. It has now been a day, and because I did not use a blow dryer, I typically wait a day just to make sure that everything is as dry as it can be. And I can say that I'm actually happy with the way that it looks. It turned out pretty good. If you happen to notice a bubble or two, don't fret. It will normally work itself out within a day or two. How's the fingerprint sensor? Well, the fingerprint sensor is fine. It works fine with this screen protector. I didn't have any issues with my screen protector, and as you see, it unlocks just fine. Let me go ahead and turn the brightness up for you so that you can see. This is at full brightness, and again, this is the matte screen protector, so it's not the clear one, but you can still see perfectly fine. Let me show you side by side the 6 next to the 6 Pro that has the screen protector. As you see, the lamp is showing on the 6, and if I switch sides, it's not so in your face and distracting, and that's why I typically like matte screen protectors, also for the lack of fingerprints. Now, let's see how case friendly this screen protector really is. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top where the cameras are and then snap the bottoms in. And as you see, that screen protector did not budge. And again, that's a day worth of drying. I can say I'm actually really happy how this turned out. It looks great. I can still rock cases if I want to. And I have some protection for this beautiful screen. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.
Spectacular gadgets.